the discovery of Comet 3IATLAS, only the third interstellar object ever observed after Oumuamua and Borisov. Soon after its detection, bold claims emerged suggesting it might not be a comet at all, but something artificial, even alien. The idea made headlines, but NASA quickly stepped in and firmly dismissed it, presenting clear evidence. In this video, we'll explore why those claims spread so quickly, how NASA unraveled the mystery, and what 3IATLAS really reveals about the hidden chemistry of other solar systems. The discovery of the story began on July 1st, 2025, when the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Loss Alert System ATLAS in Chile detected a faint object racing across the night sky. Calculations of its orbit showed something remarkable. It wasn't bound to the Sun. Instead, its path was hyperbolic, confirming it had come from outside our solar system. Astronomers quickly named it 3IATLAS, the 3-2, marking it as the third interstellar object ever discovered.